The pool is VivaKi, a division of Publicis. They're a future-looking group that's actually moving ad spend from television over to digital video. What they've built now is a very successful pipeline that allows that spend to flow freely from the buy side over to the sell side. With any pipeline, you need to be able to connect both ends. And Panache is the point of connection for all the publishers who want to receive VivaKi's ad spend. They connect through Panache's technology. We certify them to receive the ad spend, and now they can take formats like ASQ, also known as Ad Selector, and new formats coming from VivaKi to receive that ad spend.
So what exactly do you do then? License? Do you host?
We're a software company. We certify that it works with the new formats. We build the formats. We make the formats work. We provide the workflow to scale the operations so that when sales goes out and sells new formats, the operations can also process them very quickly and move them into their ad server. We're a workflow solution in there that provides the formats, the workflow, and the media services, as well as the reporting in order to streamline and scale the operations.
You work with the publishers as opposed to the agencies of the ad networks?
That's correct. We work with the premium publishers.
What do you do for them then?
Okay. So the premium publishers, if we think about their business, they're making television shows in order to sell advertising. And what we do is provide them with the underlying technology to sell advertising at scale, to increase the loads in full episodic content to that of to television levels, so that when they're watching, when a consumer's watching a show and they're watching on whatever form factor they think is best for them, the television companies can start to think about how I get the same amount of revenue for that show, no matter what platform I'm delivering the great content on.
And one last question, what is the future of interactive advertising on video? It seems nowadays that the pre-roll is predominant. What might happen next year? What do you think?
So here's what's happening. The pre-roll today is the dominant form, but as programmers, as the publishers start increasing the ad loads, they need to have ad mixes that engage the user, that create a great experience for the user. Samsung ad is a great example of that. Our role in that is to give them these new ad formats that increase viewership of the show and of the advertising, so that the users interact and will watch the different ads, so that the publishers succeed and the advertisers succeed.
The Samsung Epic 4G Galaxy S phone provides you with a fast and smooth user experience, just like when you press here. The Samsung Epic 4G Galaxy S phone, exclusively at Sprint.